everyone, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're celebrating game day. That's right, it's the playoffs and it's almost time for the big game and it's time to start thinking about all that delicious football food you're going to be eating soon. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite new appetizers. It's just 3 ingredients and it's gooey and cheesy and spicy and it's perfect for game day. Now, I don't know if you guys have been reading my blog or watching my videos for a while, but you know that Challenge is one of my favorite products. I've been using their butter my entire life. My parents absolutely love it. And now they sell cream cheese. I was like, what can I do for game day with cream cheese? And I immediately thought of my pizza dip. I make a 7-layer pizza dip with cream cheese and all those pizza toppings that you love so much, and it's hot and gooey out of the oven, perfect with like Fritos or tortilla chips. Well, I was like, I'm gonna make a gooey cheese dip. And what goes better with gooey cheese than chili? My husband absolutely loves chili. It's like his go-to like food. He always has cans of it in the pantry, and whenever he's home alone for dinner, he's heating up a can of chili. So when I told him I was gonna make this for game day for the playoffs, he was ecstatic. It actually ended up being his dinner with some tortilla chips. All right, let's get started making this easy chili cheese dip. All you need is 3 ingredients: cream cheese, a can of chili, and cheddar cheese that's been shredded. Now, a couple notes. For the chili, use anything you like. I like to use chili that has meat and beans in it. I like turkey chili or beef chili. You can use vegetarian, use spicy, use what you like. A 15-ounce can of chili is perfect for this recipe. You're gonna stir that can of chili in to soften cream cheese. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's gonna be lumpy, that's fine. Then you're gonna add some shredded cheddar cheese. Now, I highly recommend that you shred it yourself. I know it's super easy to buy those pre-shredded cheeses at the grocery store, but they don't melt right for some reason. They add some sort of something to the cheese so it doesn't stick together and it doesn't melt right. So whenever I'm using cheddar cheese in a recipe, I like to shred it myself. So I shredded this cheddar cheese and you're gonna add half of it into the dip itself and stir it all together. Then I spread it into a 9-inch pie plate and sprinkle it with even more cheddar cheese. More cheese is always better. Then you're gonna bake this at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until you can smell it. It's gonna be bubbly and hot all the way through, and it's perfect served with tortilla chips. Like I said, my husband ate this for dinner. We couldn't stop eating it. It's the perfect appetizer for game day or anytime you wanna indulge in some hot, chili, cheesy goodness. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and as always, eat something sweet or maybe something cheesy.